This is the November Sketchbox subscription box. And I'm hoping it's something good. It's pretty light, so I'm a little nervous. Okay. Okay. I always get nervous with light because I figure, ooh, okay. Because I'm afraid it's always going to be charcoal. They said that the next 4 months or whatever, next 3 months are going to be repeats. So this was one that came out previously, I guess. I don't know if it says it on here. Yeah. But starting in January, they're going to do new ones again. But it's new to me, so. Oh, this is cool. So this is like, I always like a dry medium that can become a wet medium. So I think, yes, these are Derwent Graphitint, and there's a purple, a green, and a brown. And they're water soluble. There's a brush, like a little flat brush. Flat shader number 6. Plastic palette. There's, oh, that's nice. Picture. And I think these are also Graphitint, but they're just in a pan. I might say it on here. Yeah, Graphitint pan set. So there's brown, blue, and green. Meadow, it says. Mixed media sheets of paper. And I wanted to try this graphite powder. It seems like it would be messy, but I still think I'll like it because it's wettable. So I think. Oh, it says apply wet or dry. Ah, okay. And sticker. So I guess I have to come up with something. But at least it's got colors. And this isn't what was done with these, right? There's no red, so no. Well, there's purple, though. I wonder if she did that with this, or he did that with this. Well, at least I've got purple, so it's kind of green, brown, and it looks like graphite. Well, let's play around with it a little, shall we? Let's use, I probably won't use that brush because it's a flat. I'd rather use a round brush. I'm nervous. Because I almost bought some of this. I saw it someplace and I said, no, I'm not going to get it. So it's just powder. But I wonder if, oh yeah. And I wonder if you put some in here and add water to, ooh, it's a little messy. Oh, I put a lot in there. You don't have to keep it all in there. All right. So let's put some water in here. Oh, it's really cool. So you can kind of make it into like an ink or something. That's so neat. It's like mercury. So yeah, and you can make it really dark. Oh, that's nice. So I'm wondering how messy it'll be once it's dry, you know? Because if it's like pencil, it'll just smear. But we'll see. All right, well, let's try everything out first. Oh, so that's reddish. Looks brown, but it's a real reddish brown, like reddish brown. Is this blue? Oh, it's blue. Okay, I thought it was like, okay, so we got some color. I wonder if you can mix them, like do a, so you can get like a, yeah. Oh, that's nice. It's a good green. All right. And then get these out of the way. There's the purple. It says juniper. And green gray. And cocoa. Cocoa? All right, let's see. There's the green and there's the brown. So there are some good colors. So I'll have to use this little palette to come up with something. But yeah, it's a good variety of color. And is this dry? Oh, it doesn't smear too much. It's not too bad. I could always put a fixative on it, but it's not as bad as if you put like pencil down. So it does do something. All right, so I will be back with my creation. Okay, I didn't use the paper that came with the box because it was too small. I wanted to work on something a little bigger. So I used my new extra sketchbook. Yeah, I mean, it's a little cartoony, but I was at a loss of what to come up with. So I used the graphite powder. I used in the shading a little bit. Didn't use a lot of it. I used the 3 pencils here, here, and is it here? No, I used here, here, and I used like the outline of the cat. And then the little pans I used here, here, and here. I think maybe in the eyes. I can't really remember. It's been a while. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to try this because I was curious about it. I'm not sure it's something I would use a lot. I do have like a stone or like a block of graphite in a little square that I think I would use more often, just because it's a little more practical. But yeah, so that's kind of fun to play with, and you can make like I said, really darks or really lights with it. So, and these are nice. I always like I said, I always like a dry medium that can be made into a wet medium. So those are fun. So that's it. I did make these are very, very pigmented because I colored these, not like, you know, but I did color them pretty well, and I had to wipe off a lot. There's so much color in these, just so you could see a little bit of the paper underneath, because like, see right here, you can see it's really, really dark. So that's a spot that I missed that got just thick with pigment. So if you want coverage, this is what you use. So that is that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.